What is up YouTube, Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to play Call of Duty Mobile on PC. So the very first step of what you need to do is head on over to the description of this video and I'll leave this link down below. Once you're on this link, you want to go ahead and click the orange button that says download, and it should download at the bottom left. Once it's finished downloading, go ahead and open it up wherever you have it saved. Click yes to allow this app to make changes to your device, and then you want to go ahead and click install, or you can customize wherever you want it to download. I'm going to go ahead and click install. After you hit install, it should then start installing. Once it finishes installing, you can go ahead and click on start. You also have the option to add the desktop icon like this. Once you click on start, the engine should begin downloading. Under the Game Center tab, you should then see Call of Duty. Go ahead and click on that and click on install. Select your version that you want to play on and then click on install again. Click on my games and then you should see it downloading right here. You can also play PUBG on your PC and a whole bunch of other games as you see right here. Once Call of Duty finishes downloading, you can then click on play now. Click on next, start game. Click on your definition that you want. I'm going to click on 1080p and then click on save. You can then maximize your tab to make it full screen, and that's how you play Call of Duty Mobile on PC. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.